The pump head calculator calculates total dynamic head, which tells you the total pressure your pump needs to overcome in your system. Let's walk through each input field. First, select your units from the drop-down menu. You can choose Imperial, which uses feet, GPM, and inches, or metric, which uses meters, liters per minute, and millimeters. I'll use Imperial for this demonstration, which uses meters, liters per minute, and millimeters. I'll use Imperial for this demonstration. Enter your elevation difference, which is your static head. Next, input your pipe length, the total length of piping in your system. Then enter your pipe diameter, specifically the inner diameter of your pipe. Input your flow rate. This is your desired flow rate through the system. Finally, enter the number of fittings, including elbows, valves, and other fittings in your system. This defaults to 0 if you have none. After clicking Calculate Total Dynamic Head, the calculator will display your results. The output shows your total dynamic head value, which represents the sum of static head, friction losses through the pipe, and losses through fittings. This tells you the minimum head rating your pump must have to deliver your desired flow rate through your specific system configuration. Find the link in the description below.